风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes Kate or 夏以儷 with a song called Maoli Lady or Maoli Lady. You see, Maoli's original name was actually called Maoli, which actually sounds like cat, and that's why you're hearing a lot of meow sounds in the song. And she also uses this Japanese-style beats and rhythm with the Hakka language to take us on a journey that travels through time and space as she sings about her hometown. Let's take a listen to Maoli Lady.这首歌呢是夏以儷的《猫里细妹》。猫里喵喵是什么呢？其实猫里是苗栗的旧称，也是夏以儷的出生地哦。而苗栗细妹呢，是用着一个非常轻快的节奏，还有她甜美的歌声，带上非常欢乐的气氛，然后再搭着日本的曲风创作出来的，让我们感觉游走在不同的国度里。Wow, what a fun and exciting song brought to you by 夏以儷 or Kate, and the song is called Maoli Lady. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.